Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us. Today we are going to draw quarterback and superstar youngster for the Philadelphia Eagles, Jalen Hurts. Jalen Hurts played for Alabama, Crimson Tide, and won the national championship in 2018, and then used his final year of eligibility to play college football for the Oklahoma Sooners. He was a second-round draft pick to the Eagles in 2020 with the 53rd overall pick. Changed his number to number 1. Jalen Hurts, you guys. Let's do this. So grab your black marker or dark marker, pointed tip. Find the center of your page, and up here we're going to draw the face, the big cartoon head of Jalen Hurts. So we'll start with the jaw. We'll go down, over and up. Okay, now we're going to draw the head, the hair connecting. So we'll go up, out a little bit, round, and down. Good job. All right, his ears, they're going to be right here. They kind of poke out a little bit, so let's do some ovals that poke out. Ovals that poke out. We're going to do some ovals for eyes. They're not exactly round, so we're going to do some ovals. They're more slanted because Jalen Hurts is going to be smiling. He's got a big smile, charismatic guy. All right, 2 circles on the inside, another circle that's a little smaller. These are the highlights of the eyes. Do a little arch. Do a little arch. We're going to color the eyes in with our black marker here, leaving those circles white because those are the highlights. Those bring the drawing to life. We'll do a little eye coloring over here. Now this rounded area, this arch that we did down here, I like to fill that area in with kind of this baby blue color. And simply to add a little life, a little color to the eye, I like to think of it as a reflection of the stadium lights and just to add some interest to the drawing. All right, so now let's do Jalen Hurts' eyebrows. We'll do 1, 2. Just kind of follow the contour of the eye. Go up, go up. He's got kind of thicker eyebrows and to the point. Bring it over and straight down. Color those in dark. We'll color most of the stuff in when we hit the fast forward, but I just want to give you an idea of what we're doing. Okay, let's do the nose. So we go down to point and up. Now we're going to do a smile. Okay, watch closely here. We'll start out about the middle of the eye. We'll do a dot. About the middle of the eye, we'll do a dot. That's the corner of the smile, those 2 dots. So we'll bring that side of the mouth over, drop it down, and then we're going to connect it to that dot. Okay. 2 lines down. These are the teeth. Kind of bring it down in a curve and connect. Do a line for the lip. Color that area in dark. Alrighty. And he's got some smile lines. We'll bring from the nose down. And his upper lip. Okay. He's got a mustache. It's going to go over here. I'm just scribbling. This mustache follows that top lip area. And then his goatee comes straight down. Straight down. These are whiskers. Coloring his goatee on that chin. Little chin beard. Goes up to a point a little bit, and then down. Okay. Now Jalen Hurts, he likes to, during the games, wear kind of this dark makeup, and he brings it down to a point. Not makeup, but you know, the dark, I don't even know what they call it. I need to figure out what they call it. The black lines that they paint under their eyes to either look cool or deflect the light from getting in their eyes. So these are kind of these curved triangles. So let's do the hair. Hairline goes straight across, up, straight across, up. Now round it out. And there you have, we'll color that in black in a minute. Okay, let's do his neck. Down, down, to a point, to a point. Shoulder pad, shoulder pad. Gonna round it down, down to a waist, and up to the shoulder pad. Okay? This area is going to be colored black, and there's a little line right here on the edge of that shoulder pad. A little line, that's going to be colored black as well. Let's do the football over here. Do a big football shape, kind of oversized, because we like to draw our characters kind of this cartoon style. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Here's his thumb as he's grabbing onto that football there. Let's do a arm going into that football, arm going into that football. All right, let's do this other arm. Big bicep, his finger, his thumb. So I went down, up, and a curve. Now he's holding a number 1. Those are his other fingers. Bring it down to the elbow. Curve up into the hand. Okay. He wears these wristbands and some long sleeves. All right. Now in this area, he has the I don't know what this is called either. The piece of equipment that they dry their hands. And we'll do the legs. 1, 2. And the socks. Go down to an ankle. Go down to an ankle. Line. A line. Now we're going to draw the big oversized clown shoes. There's the tongue of the shoe. Tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. Big oversized clown cleats come straight across up to the ankle. Bring the ankle down, straight across, up, and there we go. We have a connection. All right.